today we are going to make a special Valentine's Day slime. Yay! So, all you will need is some like heart stuff or something to put in it. And then I got these other hearts here. Just like kind of heart stuff. Then you will need some red food coloring or pink or purple. Like Valentine's Day colors. Then you'll just need some glue and whatever contact lens solution and baking soda if you're making it with contact lens solution. But you can use borax stuff too, so whatever. And I don't have enough white glue, so I'm gonna use this big bottle. Like, I'm gonna mix it together. But like your slime can be like clear glue or white glue. Doesn't really matter. But I think white glue would be better because like, actually, I don't know. I'm just mixing both. Then you'll need a container or something to like mix together. And then a mixing thing. Why am I saying this? Like everyone knows how to make slime already. Okay. So, oh yeah, look at my new light I got, everyone. This was $4. It looks like it was like $100. But yeah, here's like a nice little light here. Oh yeah, and it's a touch. So you can make it light, lighter, and then the lightest. So yeah, that's cool. So first, you'll just put your glue. I mean, I said blue. Your glue in the, oh my god, in the container. I finally opened this container. I had to put like water on it. See all that glue? It's bad. Oh my god, now the bottle tipped the other way, so now like none's coming out. Then, if you don't have enough white glue, just pour some clear glue in, like me. There, and it just looks like a lot of white glue now. So then, don't add these first, because like, when you mix it, it'll be kind of hard to like, make the slime not sticky or whatever. So just like, activate your slime, and then add those little heart things in. So then, when you're finally done activating your slime, took like 10 minutes or like 7, I don't know. So then you just want to add your heart stuff. Okay, so I think I activated it too much because like some of them are falling out. So make sure yours is a little more stickier than this because I didn't even make it that sticky. So I'm just gonna add more glue now. And now, time for these. You can also add some sparkles if you want. Okay, so this is the final thing, how it turned out. When you stretch it, you can see like all the heart shapes. You can like put more hearts if you want, but I don't want to put a lot because like it will just fall everywhere. And yeah, see? This will kind of make yours a little stickier than mine. But this looks really cool. And it's crunchy too. Oh my god, see? Stop falling. So yeah, I guess that is it. Bye!